Ever since Robert Bosch set up his first workshop in Stuttgart, Bosch have been shaping the automotive industry innovation after innovation. And whilst many people today claim to be influencers, with over 130 years' experience shaping automotive technology, we really are. Developing a lighting system that still forms the basis of modern-day vehicles, significantly improving road safety with our pneumatic servo brake components, and producing a filter made of a special medium which is still used today. And we're still as influential today as we were back then. Our Bosch EasyTronic diagnostic software is updated alongside the newest vehicle technology. Using Tesla's innovative high-power computer unit as a precedent for future developments, we've redeveloped how EasyTronic will diagnose and fix faults in the cars of the future. And our DAS 3000 is the most efficient DAS version yet, with new positioning software and revised navigation. As we look towards the future, we're excited to ask, what influence will we continue to have on the automotive market in the years ahead? After all, we are the original automotive influencers.